see the way it just did it right there. The way the tires ballooned up real quick.
Oh, hey, you know, for wheelies, do this. Hit that red switch.
Red switch?
On the side.
Yeah, that's the rock crawling. Low gear. Flip backwards and forward. It's probably going to flip.
Uh-oh.
Oh, a car.
The car.
It'll probably flip when you're doing that, so bring it closer so you don't have to go all the way over. Oh, you're doing that backward steering thing. It's coming towards you and you're steering right. You want to go left? That's what I'm talking about. Doesn't go as fast, but it's got a lot more torque in that gear. Very low gear. But if you have it on pavement, it gets fixed now. Okay. Just backwards to forward. Go backwards. Maybe it's going to take them along.
Ah.
Or if you want to go fast again.
Oh!
Oh, man, I kicked it too fast.
That's only the 1 millionth crash. Don't worry about it.
I'd rather keep it on the ground.
All right. If you want to go faster, put your switch back where it was.
Yeah, put it back.
I bet you can go through some tires with that thing, I bet.
Believe it or
Oh.
not, that's pretty good. When are you going to be able to get off that?
You high center, you're stuck.
Medium now, get it stuck.
Yeah, I'm stuck.
That was good, though.
I could do that with my truck, you know.
I did that coming all the way over here, man, to Florida. It was raining. It's got some nasty pickup, man. For this being a toy, you know, this has got some nasty pickup. I think this got faster pickup than a car does.
Oh, yeah.
In a takeoff.
Yeah.
There's no car that can actually take off as fast as that.
If that was a real truck, pulling the wheels off the ground like that?
Well, look at this. 1 speed scale, 40 miles an hour. That's what, 400 miles an hour, right?
Yeah. And that would make it like what, 2,000 horsepower?
Yeah, well, which is a monster truck? They're 2,000.
Yeah.
2,000 horse. And you're stuck again.
Oop.
Like the rose bush.
That's awesome.
This is really nice, man. This is really nice. Whoa!
That'd have been out of power by now if it was a regular battery, right?
Oh yeah.
Long time ago. My big crawlers run longer than that. They will literally run all day. You'll
Really?
get sick of it. We had them there once at my kid's party, birthday party. It ran morning till night and it never did stop.
Huh.
My not this one, but the I've got some of the bigger crawlers.
So you got stuff that's bigger than this?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
I want one of those.
You want one, huh?
Yeah.
You better probably sell your dirt bike.
No, I'd rather not.
Sell your dirt bike, you can get one.
I don't want someone with like that.
Yeah, you get one that's too big for it.
I know. When I do get too big for it, I'll buy one.
Huh?
When I do get too big for it, I'll buy one.
You gotta see the dragsters.
Like that?
Yeah, they got dragsters, man. They got the dragsters on. If you go on YouTube, you can see the dragster remote controls.
They're literally not scaled. They're going 100 miles an hour.
Yeah.
Real 100 miles an hour.
Huh?
I'm gonna run it into that plant again. Oh, I missed it. Did I miss it?
Yeah, they got dragsters, man.
Really?
They're really gunning, man. At
Well, I remember
50,
the
60, 70,
slot
80,
cars.
90 miles an hour.
They had slot car dragsters.
Do you remember? I don't know if you remember. I know you gotta remember this, man. They had these cars that they had the little gas that you would
Oh.
you would put gas in it,
Yeah.
wind it up,
Oh,
and start it.
yes, I remember that.
But you had no control over it. You just once you let it on the floor,
Go and win.
it was gone. It was gone. Well, I had a 57 Chevy like that, and my uncle had a Volkswagen.
No, I never did that.
Are you getting cold?
My uncle had a Volkswagen. My uncle had a Volkswagen. I had the 57 Chevy. I never started the 57 Chevy. My uncle started his Volkswagen, and he turned it on. He took a nail, wrapped the string around it, put the gas in it. Put it down, man.
I had one like that when I was busy. And you had a prop on the back. It was a car with a prop on the back. And that was like a, and then I was doing it. It was a Cox engine. And I put the gas on it, put the squeeze tube, and I
Man, my uncle started up his Volkswagen. He put it down on the ground, and he let it loose, man. He had no control over it, man. He had to chase the thing down.